My name is Jason with Fat Fender Garage. We are from Gilbert, Arizona. We are here in the McGuire's booth with our 1956 Ford F100 pickup. The chassis that we used on this build is a TCI chassis. That stands for total cost involved. And we have a custom independent front suspension with a 4-link rear end. And we also have a Ford 9-inch Curry rear end as well. The powertrain that we have is a Ford Coyote motor. It's out of a 2013 wrecked Mustang GT. It's got the 6-speed automatic transmission. We did add a Roush Supercharger. So it does produce about 675 horsepower, unparalleled in quality and performance. And for an F100, it's kind of nice to have a Ford in a Ford. With this kind of horsepower, we really needed a 4-link suspension, and the TCI suspension really handles the motor excellent. You really need it to stick to the ground. You don't want to be spinning all over the place. And this really was the excellent choice for us. With this truck, we also chose the American Racing wheels. They make a Shelby wheel, which is also designed for Ford Mustangs. And so we got a Mustang motor. We decided to use the Shelby wheels, 20-inch rims on here, wrapped with Nitto rubber, sticks to the ground, perfect option for us. We do have a few body modifications. We kind of got a roll pan in the back. We got a custom front bumper, which we've done. But we also wanted to keep things very classic and simple. We didn't want to distract or distort or make it so out of the ordinary that you couldn't recognize really truly what it was in that 56 Ford F100. We did spend a lot of time doing the body and paint. Our shop in-house takes care of all of our own body and paint. We chose House of Color. They had the right paint color scheme that we were looking for and really made this thing pop for us in the sunlight. Well, this is our second year at SEMA. The first year we didn't really know what to expect. We had a great time. We had a lot of good positive response. We brought a C10 last year. It was really exciting. So this year we wanted to bring a Ford. We do a lot of Fords, and so that's kind of something that's we're very well known for. So this year we had a client who wanted to bring a Ford, and so this 1956 was an opportunity for us to kind of showcase some of the items that we do. We're very thrilled to be here. We're very excited to be a part of the community and the hot rod community and just all the aftermarket parts. We've been happy to be here with McGuire's. They've been a sponsor for us and really just been a partner for us to give us opportunities to showcase our products in their booth.